task 6, we are going to be creating this file console.py that's going to contain entry point for command interpreter, that's CLI, command line interface. We must use cmd and the class name should be AirBnB command. Then should implement quit and then end of file, which is Ctrl D, and then help, and the constant prompt should be AirBnB. Okay, all of this. So let's just get started. So console.py. So since it's a command line interface, we are going to start with Visual User being Python. I'm going to leave it as Python because these Windows. I don't know if you're using a web term, or if you use Python 3. So docs, and then we are going to import the cmd module for working with command line. What this this script is going to be doing is for testing specific functionality within this AirBnB application. Like is common in software development to build and test command line tools for managing various types of data or services. So first we are going to define a class named AirBnB command. That's subclasses cmd.cmd. That's as required. So we say class AirBnB command cmd.cmd. Okay, since this class we created AirBnB command subclasses this cmd.cmd, means AirBnB command is going to contain the specific behavior of the command line interface, including all the commands that this cmd module supports. So then we are going to insert a prompt, a class attribute prompt for the CLI, which should display HBNB if before the user's input. That's when we run this command. When we run this script, it's going to first display HBNB in braces, followed by any command that we impute. Then next thing we implement the quit commands for the exit of the program. So def do quit passing self and arg. That is when if quit is entered, so this method is going to receive it. That's what the arg is for. So we return true. You're going to return true for whenever the do quit method is called, meaning that typing quit will exit the program. If you return false, it means it's not going to exit, so return true. Then we implement help to display what gets printed when help is entered. So we say help quit passing self and arg. So we just to print okay, I think it's something like quit command to exit the program. Quit command to exit the program. So again, and lastly, for EOF, that's end of file. For the control D, passing itself and arg. So once there's control D, first print a line and then return true, because we make sure that the script does not run when imported by adding this part, and then AirBnB. Okay, so let's go ahead and this come on. Okay, we type in help. Okay, do something. What about quit? Not really see. So for some reason my kid bash have decided not to run the program, so I'll just ignore it for now. So I'm using VS Code, and so let's run. I will say help, and what else? We say quit. We run it again, space and enter. Should repeat the same thing, space and enter, double space. So to see for this one.